Hi. In this video, we're going to install Cpanel and WHM on our Centos 7-based VPS. First of all, we need to log into our server as root. And need to update the pre-installed packages of server. If the network manager has been installed on your server, then simply stop and disable it by running these two commands one by one. But if you run any of command from these two, and getting such type of error, that means it's not installed on your server and you don't need to install it, because we need to disable it while executing latest .shi file. Next is if you want to set the host name of your server, you can do this from the following command. If you want to check the current host name of your server, you can simply run hostname and it will tell you the static host name of your server. If you wish to change, you can do so by replacing the host name with this. And if you don't change, then Cpanel automatically sets a host name while installing, something like your server IP-cprapid.com, so you won't face any error while the installation if you skip this step. Finally, we need to download the latest Cpanel package from its official website. And we need to run the bash file, which we have downloaded it from their server. This will take 5–10 minutes depending upon the network speed and specifications of your server. Cpanel and WHM has been installed successfully on our server. Now you can simply visit https://your_server_IP 2087 to log into your WHM panel. Thank you for your time.